In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your projects in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll know exactly where your work lives and how to get to it quickly, whether you're on the web or using the mobile app. First, open Adobe Express on your computer or your phone. Once you're in, look for the section labeled Your Stuff, or it may appear as My Stuff, depending on your version. On the web, you'll usually see this in the left-hand sidebar. On mobile, it often appears on the main navigation or the bottom bar. This area is your personal hub. It's where Adobe Express keeps your files, brands, libraries, and, most importantly for today, your projects. Now, within your stuff, select Projects. This takes you straight to a dedicated Projects view. Think of it as your dashboard of saved work. Everything you've created and saved in Adobe Express will show up here, organized, so you can quickly get back to what matters. From here, browsing is simple. Scroll through the list or grid of project thumbnails and titles to visually find what you need. Thumbnails give you a quick snapshot, which makes it easier to spot the right design at a glance. If your list is short, scrolling is often the fastest route. If you have a lot of work, searching can save time. Look for the search bar in the Projects view. In some versions, it's available right at the top. Type in a project name or a keyword you remember, such as a campaign title, a topic, or even a file descriptor like flyer or banner. If you've renamed a project, use the most recent name. Keep in mind that not every version displays search in the exact same place, so if you don't see it, a quick scan of the page or a simple scroll usually reveals it. When you find the project you want, click or tap it to open. The project view will load and you'll see the files, designs, or pages inside that project. This is your workspace for that specific project, showing everything it contains so you can review the content and confirm it's the one you were looking for. If you need to go back to your full list of projects, use your browser's back button or the back option in the app to return to the project's dashboard. That's all there is to it. Open Adobe Express, head to your stuff, choose Projects, browse or search, and open the project you need. With these steps, getting back to your work in Adobe Express becomes quick, consistent, and stress-free.